What is going on, everybody? Thank you for joining us for another video. For those of you who are new, please consider subscribing and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. Before we get started, I wanted to send a huge thank you to VRSF for sponsoring this video. So if you guys have been following us for a while, you'll know that I've used VRSF parts on the 535, and I am not going to do anything different because I love the performance, I love the quality, and you can't go wrong with VRSF. They did send us some other parts, which are right there. We have the charge coolers and also the downpipe, so stay tuned for those videos as well. If you guys are looking for high quality BMW parts, make sure you check out VRSF. I'll put a link down in the description below. Check them out. So in today's video, the first thing we're gonna do is, guess what? The charge pipes. Make sure, like we mentioned many times before, upgrade your charge pipes first. And the reason why is because they're plastic. And if they pop off, or if they crack, they get brittle and they break. And if that happens, you're going to be stuck on the side of the road. Our friends over at VRSF sent us some nice aluminum.
These look sick.
They're nice.
Super cool. Look at that. And new hose clamps too.
New hose clamps.
Nice.
The first thing we're going to do is, I already loosened the engine cover. Get that out of the way. So it looks like they're held in right here with a bolt. All right, so it is a 10 millimeter. So these do pop off a little bit, so you have a little bit of wiggle room. You want to make sure your engine's not hot. Mine's a little hot when pulling it in the garage. Need a rag, because those lines do get hot.
I don't think you need them like completely.
Well, this is coming out. They're part of the charge pipe. Twist it. There we go. Just turn it and pop it off. See? Plastic.
No.
Can you hold it there? There you go. There we go.
There's not these on new ones, right?
No. So these are going to be
free floating.
Free floating. So now we got the charge pipes off. You can't just throw these on. You see they're different sizes. This one was on this side, which is a little longer, and this one was on that side. And if you look at the VRSF charge pipes that came in, one is a little longer than the other. That's how they're going to look. This one here. So make sure this boot's going all the way back. All right, so I got the left side on. I like putting the screws down here. It's hidden so it looks nice and clean up here. So now let's get to the other side. All right, all done. Turned out really nice. No more plastic. So next on the agenda are the charge coolers here.
How long have you owned this car for?
I don't know.
And you still haven't done an oil change?
I hardly drive it.
Still haven't done an oil change.
I'm going to do an oil change and an oil analysis, don't worry. So that wraps it up for this install. This is more of a peace of mind, not so much performance, but it is a peace of mind knowing that the charge pipes are replaced. The down pipes are going to have to wait. I'm going to wait for the emissions because here in Maryland, we have to do them every 2 years. And shortly after you registered, about 3 months after you register the car, they send you an emissions test. So as soon as I get that done, I'm going to go ahead and put the catless downpipes in. And then I got 2 years to worry about another emissions test. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button. Even if you didn't, go ahead and smash it anyway. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.